हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू दी माय चैनल न्यू हॉरिजॉन। आज के इस क्लास में हम पढ़ने वाले हैं क्लास 7 की एनसीईआरटी बुक को प्रेफर करते हुए चैप्टर 13 जो कि है मोशन एंड टाइम। सो वन बाय वन मैं आपसे एक एक टॉपिक डिस्कस करूंगा। पहले स्टार्ट करते हैं मोशन। लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मोशन। सपोज कोई एक बॉडी है, एक बस है जो रोड से क्रॉस कर रही है, इस डायरेक्शन में जा रही है। आप यहाँ पे खड़े हैं, यू आर स्टैंडिंग हियर एंड यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग दैट दिस बस इज मूविंग कॉन्टिन्यूसली। टाइम कीप्स ऑन इंक्रीजिंग। सपोज व्हेन यू हैव स्टार्टेड वॉचिंग द बस, जब आपने बस को देखना शुरू किया, द टाइम वॉज 9 AM। अगेन at 9:01 bus has moved this much distance. Now the new position of bus is this. So what happened basically? The bus is changing its position with respect to time and with respect to you. You are observing here. You are standing here and observing. Initially the position of bus was at that position. Now the new position is this. At time 9:02 AM, the new position of bus is this. So in this position 1, the bus was forward to you. In position 2, the bus is closer to you, and in position 3, the bus is again forward to you. So what do you observe? That with respect to you, bus is changing your position. आपके रेस्पेक्ट में बस अपनी पोजीशन को बदल रही है. So what we will say? The bus is in the motion. So the conclusion is that when we can say that the body is in motion, if the body is changing its position with respect to the immediate surrounding. Here, what is the immediate surrounding? You are the surrounding. You are observing it. So when the bus is changing its position with respect to immediate surrounding, we will say that the body is in motion. Here we have taken example of bus. Bus is changing its position from position 1 to position 2 to position 3. So this is basically concept of motion. Now if the body is in motion, its motion can be slow or fast. Okay, so our next topic is slow or fast motion. What is basically slow or fast motion? Again taking the same example, bus. Bus is moving. Okay, you are observing at time 9:00 AM. Bus is moving. Then at 9:01 AM, the bus has reached at this position. Then again at 9:02 AM, bus reached at this position. You are observing the motion from here. So what is happening? At 9:03 AM, the bus has moved at this position. Okay, one more example I am taking. Again, the bus, this is your bus 1, this is your bus 2. At 9 AM, the position of bus is this, and at 9:01 AM, the new position of bus is this, right? And at 9:02 AM, the position of bus is this. So in the first case, for the bus 1, the bus 1 is taking more time to reach up to a certain position, but bus 2 is taking less time to reach up to certain position. See, at 9:02 AM, the bus 1 reached at this position. Okay, but at 9:01 AM only, the bus 2 has reached this position. So you can say that the bus 1 is slow and bus 2 is moving faster. I am taking an example of race. There is a race in your school playground. Okay, who wins? Those whosoever is faster. Now who is faster? Who is faster? Who takes less time. जो भी कम time लेता है वो faster होता है. Okay, and who is slower? Who is slower? Who takes more time. Who takes more time. So what we can conclude in slow or fast motion? If a body is moving, body is in motion, but if it is moving slowly, body is moving slowly, time taken is more. Time taken is more. So body is moving slowly, but if the body is moving faster, time taken will be less. Okay, so this is basically the concept of slow or fast motion. If someone asks you what is slow motion, what is fast motion, so your answer will be, if the body is taking much time to cover a certain distance, so the body is slower, and if a body is taking less time to cover the certain distance, so it will say that the body is faster. Any example someone asks, you can take example of race. Whosoever reaches the ribbon first is the winner. Whosoever touches the ribbon late is loser. So I hope आपको ये बात समझ में आ गई होगी. Now हमारा अगला टॉपिक है स्पीड. स्पीड क्या है? हमने अपने दोनों टॉपिक में पढ़ा कि if the body is in motion and it's changing its position with respect to surrounding, so body is in motion. Now if a body is moving slowly or a body is moving faster, so it is said the slow or fast motion. Now here speed tells us how much slow or how much fast or how much faster a body is moving. A body is moving. Okay, so इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं in unit time. In unit time. This unit time can be 1 second, can be 1 minute, can be 1 hour. If the body is covering more distance, then it is said that the body possesses more speed. And if the body is covering less distance, then it is said that body possesses less speed. So basically, what is the speed? Speed is your total distance traveled upon total time taken. And this will give you speed. You all are aware with the speed, like you are driving your bicycle with 20 kilometer per hour speed. So what does it mean? You are traveling with the help of bicycle 20 kilometer in 1 hour. That means you started from your home. Suppose this is your home. You started from your home with the bicycle, okay, moving at 9 a.m. you started your journey, and at 10 a.m. you have reached up to particular position. So whatever distance you have traveled, that will be 20 kilometer if your speed is 20 kilometer per hour. So what is basically the speed? The distance traveled in unit time is called as speed. Like speed of train is given to you 60 kilometer per hour. 60 kilometer per hour. That means the train will cover 60 kilometer in 1 hour. आई होप आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गए होंगे. अगले वीडियो में मैं आपसे नेक्स्ट टॉपिक डिस्कस करूंगा. थैंक यू क्लास.